My name's Sandra Crosby and I'm the Housing Director from Greenfields Community Housing. Greenfields are a housing association that works primarily in the Braintree district and provides homes and services for over 8,500 residents. We got involved with the Connect Well project at the very beginning and thought it was great for housing to be able to work together with health and other partners to really make a difference to people's lives. We are working in very challenging times, resources are stretched and demand for a variety of services is ever increasing, and certainly for me I recognise that the more we can do together the better for residents living in the Braintree district and the wider community. Connect Well increases my team's knowledge and supports them in helping residents to sustain their tenancies. We want to be able to be proactive and prevent people to falling into crisis for whatever reason, and if we can act as a connector using Connect Well, then it helps our residents and it helps the wider economy if people don't fall into crisis. We believe that prevention is better than cure. It's a fantastic tool for my team to have in their toolbox when they're interacting with residents. It's something that we don't have to keep up to date, so the kind of administration is done outside of Greenfields, which is fantastic. Greenfields are committed to make a difference in our communities, but just because they're a Greenfields tenant doesn't make them any different. They receive a whole variety of services from the local authority, from the health services, so being part of the Connect Well project means that our customers are getting a joined up service with lots of key partners playing a part. As an executive director at Greenfields, I'm able to influence the organisation to ensure that we achieve our ambition, which is around improving people's lives, and deliver on our vision. Working with partners, I'm confident that Connect Well will be a success. We'll be able to help our residents and in turn help the wider economy. We want to encourage people to self-serve, to recognise that when they need help, support, or just perhaps make a connection, and this tool enables my team to connect people with the services that are out there. Having the Connect Well system will enable us to identify gaps in provision, and we can work together to try and fill those gaps into the future. Our contribution as a housing provider is that we do have connections with over 10,000 residents. We have a different type of relationship with those residents. We're not a statutory body, and we can help connect residents with those community voluntary services so we make best use of what's out there. Greenfields have been absolutely passionate about wanting to make Connect Well a success. This wouldn't have happened without a commitment at the executive team level to making sure that staff are bought in, that we provide them with time to be trained as champions, and that we celebrate the success. So we've had a celebration when staff have made their first referrals. It's really important that staff see that as an organisation we really value what they're doing to make Connect Well a success.